Hello everyone. In this presentation, I will talk about the following topics: thermodynamic potential, relations between thermodynamic variables, equilibrium states, the third law of thermodynamics, and thermodynamic engines. Thermodynamic potentials, relations between thermodynamic variables. The thermodynamic variables in internal energy, free energy, potential, and enthalpy are also called thermodynamic potentials. The advantage of their induction is based of the thermodynamic variables can be written as partial derivatives and these potentials. And this is the equation for entropy, and this is the equation for pressure, and this is the relation for the volume. Equilibrium states. A system is equilibrium if without the action of external influences, the state of the system no change. If the state of system change due to external action, would return its original conditions after the external action ends. The equilibrium is stable if, however, the system further removes from equilibrium even after the termination of external influence. The equilibrium is unstable. This is the principal equation for the equilibrium states and thermodynamic application. Next it is the Third Law of Thermodynamics. The Third Law of Thermodynamics states that entropy of a given system at absolute zero has constant value. This is because the system at absolute zero it sits in the ground states. So its entropy determines only the generality of the growth states. And this law completes that the entropy is zero with the value 0 Kelvin is reached. When the temperature reaches zero, the entropy remains constant and does not change. Now, the thermodynamic engines. When the Carnot cycle is traversed uh, in a opposite direction, counterclockwise side, the corresponding engine uses mechanical work to transport heat for the cooler other part of system. This is a technical applications in the refrigerator and heat pumps. There are seven main machines. Refrigerator. The refrigerator system is based on a reverse Carnot cycle. The main purpose is extract heat for the system and lower the temperature. Heat pumps. A heat pump has the purpose of increasing the temperature of a system with the purpose of using this energy to obtain mechanical energy. Stirling engine. The purpose of the Stirling engine is produce hot air. This can be used, for example, in a hot air balloon. Okay, the Otto engine. The Otto cycle engine it's a most widely used in the cars, motorcycles, and other applications. It's based in four times or four strokes: intake, compression, combust, and exhaust. The diesel engine works the compression or air fuel mixture. This produces an explosion in four times: compression, admission, expansion, and exhaust. And steam engine. The steam engine is, for example, in the locomotive and thermal power plants. Finally, electric power plants are responsible for providing electricity to homes, to industries. You can find nuclear power plants in some countries, and also power plants that work with steam produce, be burning coal, and thermoelectric plants. This is the reference, and this is all. Thanks for your attention.